How to fix lag and Wi-Fi error in Brawl Stars. If you are experiencing lag or Wi-Fi errors in Brawl Stars, then we are here with steps to troubleshoot and fix this issue. Firstly, check your internet connection. Connect to a strong stable Wi-Fi network with low latency and avoid public Wi-Fi if possible. Switch to mobile data if Wi-Fi is unstable. And also test your connection using apps like speed test and aim for ping and download/upload speed at least 5 Mbps. After that, try restarting your device and router. Power off your smartphone or tablet and turn it back on, or unplug your router for 10 seconds, then plug it back in to refresh the connection. Then simply go to the App Store or Google Play Store and search for the Brawl Star in the search address bar and look if there is an update available. Ensure you have the latest version of Brawl Stars installed in your mobile device. So, if none of these work, then all you have to do is open the game and go to Settings, Help and Support and submit a ticket explaining your lag or Wi-Fi issues for personalized assistance. So that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching.